In today's video, I'll walk you through how to download and install Microsoft Office 2025 completely free. Yes, fully activated with no product key needed. And here's the best part, this is the official version. No cracks, no shady software, and no risky third-party tools involved. Let's start fresh. Step 1, uninstall any previous or expired versions. If you've seen messages like activation required, or if your Office is no longer working, it's time to remove the old version first. Head over to your control panel, open Programs and Features, and look for any installed Microsoft Office versions. Select them and uninstall. Think of it like clearing the path before laying a new foundation. Once that's done, we're ready to install Office 2025. Step 2, create a custom Office installation. Now comes the interesting part. Open your browser and go to config.office.com. This is Microsoft's official configuration tool. Scroll down and click Create. Here's what you need to do. Choose the correct system type. Most modern PCs are 64-bit, so go with that unless you know yours is different. Under Office Suite, pick Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024. This is built for long-term use with no subscriptions and full offline access. Next, toggle on or off the Office apps you want. Keep what you need, skip the rest. Select your preferred language. I'll choose English United States. Scroll down and click Export. Choose the Office Open XML format, accept the agreement, and export again. You'll now have a custom configuration.xml file. This tells Office exactly how to install on your PC. Step 3, download the Office Deployment tool. Now, let's get the tool that will install Office for us. Open a new browser tab and search for Office Deployment tool. Click the link from Microsoft's official website and download the installer. Step 4, prepare your installation folder. Head to your Downloads folder. You should see two files, your custom configuration.xml file and the Office Deployment tool installer. Double-click the installer, accept the license agreement, and click Continue. When asked where to extract the files, navigate to Downloads and create a new folder called Office 2025. The folder name doesn't affect the version. Click OK to extract. Now, move your custom configuration.xml file into this new Office 2025 folder. Also, delete the default configuration file that came with the deployment tool, usually named something like configuration-office365.xml. Then, click inside the address bar of that folder and copy the full file path. We'll use this path in the next step. Step 5, run the installation via command prompt. Now, it's time to make it all happen. Search for command prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. This step is crucial. Inside the command prompt window, type cd with a space after it, then paste the folder path you just copied. Ctrl+V, press enter. Now type the following command, setup.exe/configuration.xml. This command is also in the video description for easy copy-paste. Press enter, and Office 2024 will begin installing directly from Microsoft servers using your custom setup. Give it a few minutes, it'll be worth the wait. Step 6, check that Office is activated. Once installation finishes, open Microsoft Word or Excel. You'll see it right away. Microsoft Office 2024, fully installed and already activated. No license key, no subscription, just a clean professional copy of Office, ready to use.
If you found this video useful, then please like the video and subscribe to this channel.
And that's it. You've just installed Office 2025 the right way.